Do you have trouble getting your dog to let you cut its nails? The secret to being able to do this without any conflict isn't by teaching the dog any tricks. Sure, place helps, but really it's about having your dog trust you to be able to do things to it even when it doesn't understand why. This kind of quality relationship is not given. It generally has to be earned, and this is what a good dog trainer will teach you how to do. There is no one trick or tip to make this any easier. It's simply about being the thing your dog needs and doing that consistently.